How Tesla phone is going to be a game changer. Just as Tesla cars have dominated the automobile industry, the Tesla Smart Model Pi is a smartphone that will revolutionize the cell phone industry. The kings of the smartphone industry, such as Apple, Huawei, and Samsung, have enough reason to worry when Elon Musk is the man behind Tesla's cell phone. After all, making smartphones is not rocket science, and Musk makes rockets in SpaceX. The ingenuity and vast wealth of tech genius make the idea of the Tesla Model Pi unstoppable. The striking appearance and powerful features of the phone make it irresistible. Ultra-resilient. The Tesla-designed smartphone is ultra-resilient to impact, as it's forged by fire. You'll no longer have to worry over a cracked screen when the phone slips from your hand. You can now afford to use the screen repair money to grab a burger down the street, as it will be unheard of. The Tesla phone Model Pi has 4 cameras that use artificial intelligence to light a pitch-black environment. Similarly, it has a high-quality front camera that is integrated into the screen. It's just the perfect phone that you can use to take selfies and post on your social media platforms. That selfie taken by the Tesla phone will stand out. The Tesla phone will be connected to Starlink, which provides a satellite internet connection. With the Tesla smartphone, you can enjoy download speeds of up to 210 megabits per second. The users of Tesla Model Pi will also enjoy 5G services when using the gadget. The phone has a clear and transparent solar panel that is embedded in its back. The technology will make good use of the energy from the sun. Climate change and green energy enthusiasts will quickly discard the electric-powered phones for the solar-powered Tesla phone. You can now be spared the trouble of carrying your phone charger to whichever place you go. Even the soldier in the desert can safely rely on the sun to charge the Tesla phone for communication. It's simple. So long as the sun shines, your phone will be charged. The cryptocurrency era cannot be more real than owning a Tesla Model Pi phone. With the gadget, you can mine Tesla's digital currency, which is Mars Coin. Everyone wants to make money, and it'll be exciting to make money with Mars Coin. Musk is just developing a new world that is quickly becoming a reality. His determination to explore Mars is just incredible. Who knows? Maybe Mars Coin will be the currency in Elon's Mars. Who wouldn't want to stop, shop, and even live on Mars? It would all maybe begin by getting that virtual reality by transacting Mars Coin with the Tesla Model Pi phone. Tesla's smartphone will enable a connection between the phone and the brain. The Neuralink technology will enable users to input commands into the phones just by thinking about them. Information from the people and phones will be swiftly transmitted. The Tesla Model Pi phone will come in handy to facilitate communication with victims of an accident who can think but are not able to talk. The doctor can just access their Tesla phone and read the commands on the phone's interface. It's just fascinating how a mobile phone will greatly change the future of medical treatment. It's only the Tesla Model Pi that can realize such a change. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone will be used in controlling the Tesla cars. The Tesla cars will be connected to the web via the Tesla phone. The Tesla phone will enable you to remotely control your Tesla car for the best experience. Tesla's smartphone has 2 terabytes of internal storage for you to store all the movies that you'll download with the inbuilt Wi-Fi. Anyway, why download when the phone will be connected to Wi-Fi 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Maybe you have a reason. Sometimes you may have to download to avoid those pop-up adverts when you're streaming your favorite. Or maybe the phone has enough space to help store the high-display photos that you'll take from the high-quality lenses. It's not yet clear whether Tesla Model Pi will use SIM cards or not. It's possible that the futuristic phone may not need a SIM card for it to operate. Musk indicated that the users of Tesla's smartphone do not need to save contacts on their phones. It would be both fun and amazing to make calls to friends who will migrate to Mars. You'll probably have to buy a Tesla Model Pi phone to make a successful call to Mars. After all, Mars is Elon Musk's colony, and he has the power to decide which cell phones can make calls to his empire. Tesla's smartphone is expected to have an exterior that's made of metallic materials, which will give it a metallic touch. The safety of the phone will be greatly bolstered with such an exterior. Musk will also integrate technology and give the phone a photochromic coating. In simple terms, the photochromic effect will enable the Tesla Model Pi to change color depending on the environment where it is. Nothing is more sensitive when using a smartphone than its security. You cannot afford to compromise on the security of your phone in this era of Internet of Things, IoT. If you risk the security of your phone, you're likely to lose your money, login credentials, personal data, and companies could lose confidential product information to hackers. It would be annoying and shameful if a hacker logged into your Facebook account and started posting porn. Tesla Model Pi smartphones comes with the state-of-the-art security features that will guarantee your privacy and security while browsing. The phone has inbuilt encryptions. After all, the phone will come with inbuilt Wi-Fi, which greatly reduces the chances of being hacked when you're using shared Wi-Fi. The fast and secure Wi-Fi will be sourced from another Tesla company known as Starlink. Elon Musk is doing it all to ensure that the phone is supported by only Tesla-related companies for maximum security. The end-to-end encryption features will block any persons that would spy on you when using normal smartphones. The security feature allows only the sender and the receiver to access the message. That's to say that even Tesla will not be able to read your messages. With the Tesla Model Pi, you can be very sure that your privacy will be simply private. We can only wait and see how the Global Positioning System, GPS, will function in the phone. Oh, sorry, wait a minute. It's GPS for all other smartphones, but multi-global positioning system for all other Tesla Model Pi, since it will be used on both Earth and Mars. Are those not two globes? The science teacher in the school down the road will tell you that both Earth and Mars are planets. With the Tesla Model Pi, you'll not have to worry about being hacked or tracked. Before looking at the phone's state-of-the-art features, we would do justice by acknowledging the artistic Antonio de Rosa. He's the chief designer of the powerful phone. It's his vast experience in smartphone designing that has helped create a sleek Tesla concept cell phone. The phone's appearance is similar to that of an iPhone. It's just no coincidence. Antonio de Rosa is widely known for developing many Apple products in his ADR studio. With Elon Musk tasking Apple's main man in designing Tesla's smartphone, the rivalry between Tesla and Apple is likely to heighten in the coming days. At this point, it's necessary to remember that Apple refused to buy Tesla back in the day when Tesla was facing its darkest days. Tesla had run out of cash as it was manufacturing its Model 3 electric vehicle. Elon Musk claims that Apple CEO, Tim Cook, refused to meet him, and later on said that he was not aware of such a meeting. What if Apple had brought Tesla back in 2016? Most probably, Tesla Model Pi would be an iPhone of the future. Musk is probably on a revenge mission by venturing into the cell phone industry. The Tesla Model Pi will surely give Apple a run for their money. The rivalry between Tesla and Apple seems to be more interesting as time unfolds. It's also rumored that Apple is planning to come up with a self-driving electric vehicle. The strife between the two tech giants will turn out to be a free movie that every keen tech eye will be keen to watch. For the competition to be more real, Apple will have to explore Venus since Tesla has taken Mars. Tesla Model Pi will not just be a game changer in the cell phone industry, but in the tech industry at large. The impact of Tesla's phone is not just a game changer, but mind-blowing. It's no secret that when Tesla takes a move, the world notices. The case of the Tesla Model Pi will be no different. Tesla Model Pi is a sure game changer in the smartphone industry and beyond. Lastly, let's talk about Moomoo, the best secret for proactive traders. Investing has been made easier with Moomoo. With Moomoo, U.S. residents can trade stocks, options, and ETFs without paying any commission in the U.S. market. Whether you're a new or experienced investor, Moomoo is a reliable platform to learn to invest and grow your wealth. So what are you waiting for? Check out the description box for the link. Hurry up and download Moomoo to sign up today and get Moomoo's limited time offer for new clients. Get up to 5 free stocks, up to approximately $3,500 each. Offer ends 12/31/2021. Thank you for watching.